Let's talk about something that can sometimes be tricky: SSH troubleshooting. First, the most frequent problem is an incorrect key pair. Double check that you're using the private key that corresponds to your EC2 instance. If you've lost your private key, unfortunately, you won't be able to connect to that instance. You'll likely need to create a new instance and attach a new private key to it. Key permission errors: Linux, macOS. If you're using Linux or macOS, ensure your private key has strict permissions. chmod 400 yourkey.pem. Overly permissive keys, e.g. 644, trigger SSH rejection. This causes over 50% of connection failures for new Linux users. Security group setup is another common problem. Check that your security group allows incoming SSH port 22 connections from your IP address. If your IP address changes, update the security group. A security group that is too restrictive will block your connection. Typos are another common culprit. Double check the username and IP address in your SSH command. Even a small mistake can prevent the connection. Remember, the default username for an Ubuntu AMI is Ubuntu, but it can vary for other AMIs. If your EC2 instance is in a private subnet, you'll need a way to reach it. This often involves using a Bastion host, a VPN connection, or other network tunneling solutions. Make sure your connection method is properly configured. Those are the common factors that cause connection problems during SSH. That's it for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.